Hello everyone. This video will be about a simple topic, maxima minima. This is going to be a very short, extremely short video. Here I will be discussing one simple maxima minima case study. This case study was asked in our mock test 4, which was conducted yesterday at our center, Barakpur Center. And it was not a very difficult one, but still certain twist has to be discussed in this question. So let me start with the same. So first of all, we'll take the question. The question says an open tank with a rectangular base and vertical sides is to be constructed so as to hold 8,000 liters of water. As of now, we have got this two data that we have an open tank, which is rectangular base and vertical sides. So basically what they're trying to say that of course we have a cubical tank. Let me draw the structure of a cubical tank, which is somewhat like this. And this cubical tank, why am I calling it not a cubical tank? It will be a cuboidal tank. Because they have said we have a rectangular base, as in the dimensions of length and breadth are not equal. So it's a cuboidal tank in which we don't have this top portion. This is an open tank. So out of 6 surfaces, we have only 5 surfaces here. And the capacity of this tank is to hold 8,000 liters of water. The tank is 2 meters deep. The first dimension they have given to us that the height of the tank is 2 meters. Also, the material for the bottom cost rupees 1,800 per square meter, means for the construction of the bottom area, we have to pay rupees 1,800 per square meter. And for the construction of other 4 faces, we have to pay rupees 900 per square meter. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Okay. So far the data, if we capture, they have given us only few data, like for example, volume is 8,000 liters and cost of construction of base, it is rupees 1,800 per meter square. For construction of other sites, we can write it is rupees 900 per meter square. That is the only data given so far. Now they have said if X and Y represents the length and breadth of the rectangular base, that means if we mark the dimensions, they're saying what they're saying is this is the length, which is denoted by X, and this is the breadth, which is denoted by Y. So if X and Y represents the length and breadth of the rectangular base, we need to find the total cost of construction. It's a very simple problem. कैसे निकाल सकते हैं total cost of construction? Let us see. Number 1. So total cost of construction में सबसे पहले we have to calculate the total area. So total area constitutes of area of base plus area of 4 walls. Now area of base, as we can see, it is X into Y, length into breadth. And area of 4 walls, if I'm not wrong, it is 2x plus 2y, that is multiplied by 2. Why did I multiply it by 2? Because we have 4 surfaces. जिस surface को मैंने black से shade किया है, this area is 2x. उसका opposite area भी 2x. Sorry, the black surface area is 2y. So opposite, this surface area will also be 2y. That is why 2y into 2. Similarly, the front surface, which I'm shading with yellow color, if this surface area is 2x, उसके opposite वाला वो भी 2x होगा. That is why 2x plus 2y multiplied by 2. If we talk about the cost, we have seen that the base cost has to be multiplied by 1,800 base area. So it is 1,800 multiplied by the base area, which is xy, and this fellow is nothing but, if we take out 2 common, so it is 4 into x plus y. This area needs to be multiplied by 900. So total cost is 1,800 xy plus this is 3,600 x plus y. If we take 3,600 common, it is going to be xy by 2 plus X plus Y. This is the total cost. So we can see option B is coming out with correct. The total cost of construction is only area of the base. We have only one base. We are not taking the roof because we have seen the top portion is not available. They have said the tank is open tank, so there is no top portion. इसलिए top area को हमने consider नहीं किया. बाकी area of the four walls में it is 2x 2 times 2y 2 times, which adds up to give us 4x plus 4y, which needs to be multiplied by 900. So this is the answer for the first question. Now, in the second question, they are saying if capital C denotes the total cost of construction, find dC by dx. So this is what is the total cost of construction. जो हमने अभी calculate किया, this is what is the total cost of construction. हमें इसी को differentiate करना है with respect to x. But we are not in a position to differentiate it right now. That is in this particular step because we have two variables on the right hand side, x as well as y. We need to substitute one. So we will now take help from the volume equation. Since they have given us volume is equal to 8,000 liters and the cost is given in terms of square meter. So our task is to convert this volume 8,000 liter into meter cube. So it becomes volume is equals to 8 meter cube. Now we know what is volume. It is length into breadth into height for a cuboid is equal to this. So can now write substitute y is equal to 4 by x. This substitution I'm going to make in this cost equation. So now my cost equals 3600 into x by 2 multiplied by y के जगह पे we are making it 4 by x plus 4 by x. X and x gone. This is just 2. So equation stands out to be 3600 2 plus x plus 4 by x. Now, this is the cost equation which now can be differentiated in terms of x because every single variable on the right hand side is now x. इसको अगर हमने dc by dx किया, which is very simple, 3600 constant बाहर रहेगा, 2 का 0, x का derivative 1, and this will become minus 4 by x square. So our answer is coming out to be 3600 into 1 minus 4 upon x square, which is the very first option. 3600 into 1 minus 4x square. So this is the answer for the second question, which is the 38th question. dc by dx. और पहला हमने cost function निकाल दिया for the 37th question. Now, 39th question. They are asking us find the total cost. Total cost is minimum when x equal to, as in हमें critical point निकालना है. So we know for critical point we equate dc by dx with 0. So if we are doing the same thing, 3600 into 1 minus 4 by x square equal to 0, we are getting 1 equal to 4 by x square. Or from here we can say x is equal to plus minus 2. Now x is representing some dimension, as in the length. They have said consider the length to be x. So it definitely cannot be negative. So we have to consider x is equal to 2 as our correct choice. Out of the 4 options, option 1 is now matching. The total cost is minimum when x value is equals to 2. That is wrong. 39, option A is correct. Now, the last question is find the total least cost of construction. तो हमें क्या करना है? Just construction वाले equation में जाना है. This is the construction वाला equation. इस equation में जाकर के हमें value put कर देना है. X के जगह पे हमें 2 put करना है. And when x is equal to 2, our y value is also 4 by 2 is equals to 2. So total cost becomes 3600. X is 2, y is 2 divided by 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is 3600, 2 plus 4 plus 6, this is 6. 21,600 is the total cost. Least cost बोल सकते हैं because minima के लिए आया है. So this is what is the fourth answer. So what was the basic and the most important trick in this question is to convert the given volume in meter cube. Most of us, we are overlooking this parameter and then we are ending up getting C as the correct option. No, C cannot be correct option because the volume they have given us in liter, and we must be knowing this conversion that 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. A simple conversion is important in this question. So this is all about this case study, an important one. Do have a practice case. Thank you.